everyone. My name is Kelvin. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, a Microsoft certified office specialist. In this video 58, now it's going to be the part 4 of this template. In this video, I'm going to show you how do you calculate the total working hours and how to add in the lunch hour depending on whether they work or not. And all these are automated. That means I'm going to use the formula, which means as long as I populate my calendar attendance database, I'm going to have automated calculation in here. All right, so I'm going to also check about how to find out what is the regular working hours of a normal work day, or if it is a off day, and whether it's a Saturday or Sunday. All right, so let's take a look at that. So there will be quite a number of formulas that I'm going to write here. So the first thing I need to write here is the total number of hours. Now I will take the end date. And I will not minus the start date because the official starting hour is 8:30. It's not this hour. So I will not calculate those hours that they come early. I will start from 8:30 onwards. Now I'm going to name this particular cell as my official start time. I'm going to give that a longer name, official start time. And I'm going to just take this column, right, this particular cell, which is the start time and the end time. So I'm just going to do that. So equals to, right, I'm going to take this particular end time, I will minus the official start time. So I'll take this, okay, and do that. So in total, there are 13 hours and 28 minutes. So what I have done in this formatting, I just want to show you the format. So I have put in a formatting of the cell as HRS, M, MINS to show that how many hours and minutes altogether, right? So that's my formatting. So all I need to do is just copy it down. Now I'm going to have a little bit issue where I'm going to have that error because there's no number here to calculate. Therefore, in this formula, it's not a complete formula. I need to put in here if error. If this calculation is an error, then just leave it empty. Right. So now if I copy this formula down, see, whenever there is a formula error, it will just leave it empty. So this is the total number of hours work if I take the end time minus the start time. Right. Now, there are a lot of details which I did not consider yet. Now, that will be on a later date. Now, but this time we just do a regular template first. So what about lunch hour? Now, lunch hour and dinner hour. So we're going to put here lunch hour first. Lunch hour, we skip the dinner hour first. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the in time is before or equals to the official start time, and the end time is after or equal to the official end time. So I'm going to name this cell official end time. There you go. I'm going to call that. Which means if I'm going to put here equals to if n, it has to be both correct. And then I'll say if this particular cell is right less than or equals to the official start time, and this particular cell end time is greater than or equals to the official end time. Okay, so this is if both of them are correct, then I'm going to put 1. Otherwise, nothing. Right? I'm just going to put that empty. Right. So if you understand the formula, so let me just see. I got 1 here. So what happened is if I were to copy this formula down all the way to the bottom, see, they were minus 1 hour. Right. So if let's say the starting time is not less than this and the ending time is earlier than this, then the 1 hour lunch will be forfeited. Okay, so there's another condition where it says that if it is more than 12 hours, right, or should I say more than, because by 9:30 to 5:30, that's the official time. If they work additional 4 hours, which is 12 hours, then they will be equal, they will have to add another hour for the dinner time. But anyway, we can skip the dinner time for now. I'm just going to go on to the next one now. So on the regular working hour, for this regular working hour, I'm going to calculate if the day is actually Saturday or Sunday or not. If it's Saturday or Sunday, that means there is no regular working hour because we don't work on Saturday or Sunday. So that's my first test I want to do. I put here equals to if, all right, this particular cell, D8, is it equals to Saturday? Okay. Now, if I just do that, then it's only one condition, but I got two conditions. Is it Saturday or Sunday? So I'm going to put there or, comma, this D8 is equals to Sunday. So if both of these, either one is correct, then we put there 0. Otherwise, it's 8 hours. Otherwise, it's 8 hours. So if I were to press enter now, I'm going to get 8 hours, right? Because this is not Saturday or Sunday. Now, if I were to copy this down, it's not going to give me a good result, where because when on Sunday they don't work, my 0 will still appear. So I don't want my 0 to appear whenever they are not working, right? So what I'm going to do is, in this formula, I'm going to add another if in front. I'll say if, right, my F8 is equals to empty, then empty. So I just go to the back. Oops, what did I do? I just put a K there, comma. I should go to the back here and put a comma, a bracket, enter. Right. So now what happened is I just have to copy this down all the way to the bottom. Those days that they don't work, okay, they are not going to be a regular hour. So you notice that this person comes in late, so the 1 hour is forfeited. Just late by 8 minutes, and the 1 hour is forfeited. They will not be able to claim that, right? That 1 hour lunch. So we are not going to allow that. Okay, so looks like there's something wrong here because I'm going to minus 1 hour. If I don't minus this, then it's not going to be accurate, right? So let's see. I should put there less than or equal to maybe official time. Greater than or equal to. So maybe I should do away with the start time. We'll see how it goes. Okay, now I'll come back to that on the reply. However, okay, so you take a look at all this calculation, this simple formula. Now, I'll tell you what, I'm just going to repair this. I'm not going to put there 8:38. Now, we will solve all this issue later. This is on the 23rd of, yeah, I'm going to change this one. Change this one to 28 instead. So he's just 2 minutes earlier. Yeah, I'm going to get that 1 hour. Okay, now let me cheat a little bit. I just want to do a normal template first before we can add in more condition into that particular. So you see, we will improvise as we go, but let's settle what is the essential first, and we will add on whenever we have other condition that comes in. All right, so now in this video, I have shown you how do you calculate the total hours, how to include the 1 hour lunch, and also the regular working hours, right? If let's say it's not a Saturday, Sunday, therefore then it will not be an 8 hours. So if they start early and they end early, no matter how many hours they work, that will be their overtime. Okay, so we will take a look at the next calculation in my next video, video 86. So I'll see you in my next video. Please like and share this video to as many people as possible. Right? Kelvin signing off. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.